From Robinhood's massive gift for Dogecoin holders and rising crypto adoption to all the latest data and updates, I'm going to talk about some very important updates in this video. So let's see what exactly is happening. So the big update is that crypto wallet and card startup Ziglu is set to be acquired by brokerage app company Robinhood. According to a recent statement from the companies, they have signed an agreement to join Robinhood, and they said that they couldn't be more excited. Ziglu told customers in a message that Ziglu and Robinhood share a common DNA, working to reduce the barriers to entry for a new generation of investors, and they are looking forward to pursuing that mission together. The firm further added that this agreement is subject to regulatory approval, so for now, nothing will change. And according to the official statement from Robinhood, as they look to expand internationally, they are excited to announce that they have signed a deal to acquire Ziglu Limited, which is subject to regulatory approvals and other customary closing conditions. So this means that Robinhood has taken the first step in expanding its services around the globe. And this is bullish news for Dogecoin and others, as it will bring a lot of new customers to them. And another big update is that Robinhood has revealed that its crypto wallet has been rolled out to 2 million users on the waitlist. The company's chief product officer, Aparna Chennapragada, made the announcement at the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami. She said that with access to the wallet, users will be able to send and receive crypto. Chennapragada also revealed that Bitcoin Lightning Network integration will soon happen on the platform, though she did not offer a specific date. We know that Robinhood did roll out the crypto wallet to 1K users in January 2022, but this more recent move is one that is a significant step forward for the platform, which has been highly anticipated. Robinhood has been working on a crypto wallet for some time, having first tested the wallet in Q3 2021. The crypto community has mostly been positive about the release of the wallet. They have their apprehensions about Robinhood, especially following the GameStop incident, but seem genuinely happy that the platform has crypto services. Meanwhile, Chennapragada said that the company would play a very active role in crypto and shaping it. However, this won't come in the form of buying crypto, as the company's CFO has said that the company has no plans to buy cryptos with cash. One step it is taking to introduce more crypto features is crypto gifting. This feature allows users to send crypto to others as a gift. It is also partnering with Chainalysis to ensure it is meeting compliance standards. Moreover, speaking at the Bitcoin 2022 conference in Miami, Aparna Chennapragada delighted the crowd by saying that Bitcoin is the top recurring buy asset for the company so far this year. So this observation is a strong market signal that new investors are placing a great amount of faith and their finances into a crypto future. But that is not all. Although it went unsaid during her remarks at the Bitcoin-centric event, Ethereum was the third largest recurring buy. Also in the top 10 was Dogecoin, and we know that it is one of the widely traded cryptos on Robinhood. So this is bullish news for Dogecoin, not only because it is among the most traded assets on Robinhood, but also because this Robinhood wallet program is expected to surge its adoption. This popularity of Dogecoin on Robinhood is also going to be beneficial for it in other projects by Robinhood, such as the Cash Card project and Robinhood's upcoming global services. Meanwhile, we also know that Robinhood CEO Vladimir Tenev recently took to Twitter to explain how Dogecoin could become the future currency of the internet. Well, he came up with some important points for Doge. So in a thread of 12 Twitter posts, Tenev outlined what steps need to be taken to transform Dogecoin into a usable asset for everyday payments and transactions on the internet. Tenev began by drawing attention to the fact that Dogecoin's transaction fees, roughly $0.003 per transaction, are already small enough to place Doge as a feasible e-cash frontrunner. He believes the block size and the block time of Dogecoin are the main areas that require improvement if Doge is to become widely adopted. Vladimir Tenev believes that Dogecoin's transaction fees have to be vanishingly small. As of last November's 1.14.5 update, typical transaction fees have been a sound $0.003, which you can experience on Robinhood compared to the 1 to 3% network fees that major card networks charge. In another tweet, Vladimir Tenev said that another criticism of Doge is that it's inflationary and the supply is infinite, as opposed to Bitcoin's finite supply of 21 million coins. He noted that about 5 billion new Doge are created every year, and the current supply is about 132 billion. This results in a current inflation rate of less than 5%, which is actually less than the current inflation rate of the US dollar. Moreover, Vladimir Tenev said that the fixed issuance means that the inflation rate actually declines over time, and in a couple of decades it will be below 2%. All in all, Robinhood CEO Vladimir Tenev came up with something very important for Doge and its holders. He is appreciating the features of Dogecoin, such as the low transaction fee. And considering all these things, he believes that Dogecoin can get widely adopted and it can become the currency of the internet. And with that being said, let's come to Dogecoin's current price movements. So after the recent price dip, Doge has managed to gain some momentum and it is currently trading above the 14 cents price range. With this surge, Doge has managed to turn its crucial moving averages bullish. We can see here that it is now moving above its 50 and 100-day simple moving averages, which is a pretty bullish sign. Meanwhile, its RSI value is also sitting in the neutral zone, which means that the selling pressure has faded away. So this means that Doge is now looking pretty bullish, and based on its technicals, we can expect more upward momentum from it in the coming days. And now, let's come to Bitcoin for a minute. So Bitcoin is also looking very bullish as it has initiated a recovery rally and it is now trading above the 41K level. And with this latest rally, Bitcoin is now moving above its 100-day simple moving average. This means that Bitcoin is now eyeing further momentum from here, and we can expect more gains from here. Meanwhile, we are now seeing that popular crypto analyst Plan B says two catalysts could incite the next major waves of Bitcoin rallies. Plan B is saying that it's probably something we don't know right now that will propel us to the next level. But if we just extrapolate from what we know, a second or third El Salvador would really change the game. If El Salvador, a small country, would not be alone in Latin America, but if Mexico, Brazil, or Argentina would join them, that would make the case so much stronger. Plan B also says that everyday crypto adoption by normal people will produce huge rallies for Bitcoin, especially when paired with institutional adoption. On the other hand, crypto analyst Nicholas Mertens says that Bitcoin will reach astounding new heights within the next year. Nicholas Mertens says that the bulls are still in control of the crypto markets despite recent fluctuations. He says that sure, the market isn't exciting at the end of the day, at least right now. But it never is exciting when accumulation starts to happen, when a trend setup is beginning to build. That's an important thing to understand here. Mertens says the late spring and early summer of 2021 was when Bitcoin began to rebound higher, and since then it has established higher lows and higher highs. And he believes this is showcasing that the bulls are still in charge, no matter how shaky things look. With the bulls still in control, Mertens also makes a continued bullish case for Bitcoin over the next year, with a price target between 150K and 200K. Moving on, we are now seeing that Grayscale CEO Michael Sonnenshein believes it's only a matter of time before a Bitcoin Spot Etf is permitted in the United States. He recently claimed that there may be grounds for a lawsuit against the commission if they don't. With the Chucrium approval, Sonnenshein claims that the Commission's original case against Spot ETFs is invalidated. As such, the approval of such a product down the line is a matter of when and not if, according to the CEO. He said that if the SEC can't look at two issues, the futures ETF and the Spot ETF, through the same lens, then it is, in fact, potentially grounds for an Administrative Procedure Act violation. So it appears that the SEC may soon approve the first Bitcoin ETF, which is going to be a huge development for it. And with that being said, let's come to Ethereum for a minute. So we are now seeing that after the recent crash, Ethereum has started to show some strength. During the last 24 hours, ETH has been aiming for a new high after touching the daily low of 3K to breach above 31. Ethereum is currently trading around 3K with a bullish crossover, and it appears that it is now focusing on the 3.4K level. And now coming back to Dogecoin, we have just seen that Robinhood is going all in on Dogecoin. And it is expected that Robinhood's support is going to help Doge make some bullish moves in the near future. In any case, do you think Robinhood can help Doge to surge from here? Let me know in the comments section below.